In this video, we are going to be looking at three-digit addition with an open number line, which is a new concept for us this year. So let's take a look. One thing that you are going to want to notice is that the place values, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. See where an addition problem is going to equal more than 10 in each of them. So looking here, we can see that 7 and 5 is going to equal more than a 10. So at some point in the problem, we're going to have to regroup to make more 10s. So the first thing that we're going to do is start with the larger number, 237. So that number is now used, so we don't have to worry about it anymore. Now we're going to focus on the hundreds place. We're going to take our first jump of 100, and all it's going to do is change the hundreds place from 237 to 337. I like to cross off the work as I go. So now moving down to the tens. So 4 more tens is going to affect the tens place here. So if we do our jump of 40, that's going to be 4 more tens than the 3 tens that we have here. So that's going to be 377. Then we can go back and cross off our jump of tens. Finally, what we need to do is a jump of 5. Now there's a few ways to do this. First way that we could do is take the number 5 and just do a small jump of 3, and that's going to put us to the next 10. 377 now goes to 380. So looking at the number 5, we already used 3 of it, so that means we have a jump of 2 left, plus 2, and that's going to get us to our final answer of 382. Okay, so this three-digit addition problem with an open number line is going to be a little bit more difficult, and let's see why. Looking at the hundreds, the tens, and the ones, think about what place values are going to be more than 10 if we add them together. Does 2 plus 1 equal more than 10? Nope. Our tens place, 3 plus 8, does that equal more than 10? It does. In our ones place, 7 plus 5, does that equal more than 10? It will. So we're going to have to be sharing to the next place value. So let's start with the larger number. Once again, our larger number is 237. So what we're going to do is eliminate 237 because it's already used, and we're going to focus on the 185. So the first thing we're going to do is take a jump of 100. So a jump of 100 just changes the hundreds place. So we're back up at 337, and we use the 100. Now we're going to be taking a jump of 80 because there's 8 tens. So a jump of 80 changes our tens place by 8 more. So off to the side here we can see 8 tens plus 3 tens equals 11 tens. So what that means is we're going to take the 1, and it's actually going to make another 100. So now we're at 400, and you can see here there's 1 10 left. So that'll be our tens place. And our ones stays the 7 still. And now we showed the jump of 80. Another way that you could do this is by taking the tens place and thinking about how many more to get to the next 100. And that would be plus 70. And then you could do another jump of plus 10. So now that we're at 417, the last step is doing our jump of 5. So we're going to take 5 again, and we're going to do a jump of 3 to get to our next tens place. And then 5 again is made up of 3 and 2. We already did the jump of 3. So now we're going to do a jump of plus 2 to get to our final answer of 422.